Welcome back to King Mushromo's Cooking. Today we're going to learn a very simple recipe, how to make breakfast cereal. This is an American staple, something people eat every day here, and if you're from Europe or some other far distant country, you might be wondering, how do I make cereal? And so if you're coming to visit here, I'll give you some tips. Very simple. You're going to need only a few things. You get yourself your favorite cereal. I personally prefer this brand Crispix. It's half wheat, half rice, and it has the best flavor in my opinion. Some people like the sugary stuff. I like this. So I'm making 2 bowls today, one for me and one for my significant other. And you also need milk, and the bowls will require spoons to eat the food. So let's begin, shall we? So to begin, you first put the desired amount of milk in the bowl. And then you will open the cereal box. And pretty much just pour the desired amount into the bowl so that it's swimming at the top. And you can use the spoon to push it around, make sure it's good. Perfect. I like a little extra. And 2 delicious bowls of cereal. You can also add any other spices or flavoring you prefer. So really there's nothing to it, and I hope you enjoyed this informative tutorial. Let me know in the comments below how you make your cereal. I'd like to see some different recipes, and I'll give them a try. Like and thumbs up, subscribe, yeah.